What if your favorite hobby isn't just something you do to pass the time, but a message from God? What if the very thing that brings you joy is actually pointing you toward your divine purpose? Today, we are stepping into a revelation many people overlook. Your hobbies are not accidents. They are clues. They are signals. They are whispers of calling. If you're ready to explore that deeper meaning, stay with me. And if this speaks to you already, go ahead and like this video so others can discover their purpose too. The "just a hobby" mindset. People are shrugging off their hobbies, being busy, scrolling on phones. Most of us have been conditioned to believe that hobbies are optional. Something you do, if you have time. Something separate from your real work. But what if that idea has kept you from discovering who you are truly meant to become? Listen. The things that light you up, energize you, and bring you joy, these are not random. God does not waste inspiration. The spiritual flow state. Have you ever been so wrapped up in your hobby that time disappears? That feeling is a spiritual alignment. It is the soul recognizing truth. That moment is God saying, "Here, this is where your spirit breathes." Not everything that is divine looks dramatic. Sometimes the holiest things look simple, ordinary, quiet. How God speaks through joy. Joy is guidance. Joy is direction. Joy is confirmation. If your hobby brings you peace, it is nourishing your spirit. If it energizes you, it is awakening your gifting. If it keeps calling you back, that is God drawing you into purpose. If this is making you think differently already, comment below, "My hobby has meaning." I want to see who is awakening to this. Reflection exercise. Take a moment. Think about a hobby or passion you've had since you were young. Something that always finds its way back to you. That recurring interest is not coincidence. It is calling. Write it down. Speak it aloud. Honor it. Closing encouragement. Your hobbies are not meaningless. They are messages. They are a doorway to your spiritual identity. In the next episode, we'll uncover how to turn these passions into purpose-driven action. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2. Share this video with someone who needs this reminder. Your joy matters.